Here I have Renault Captur. Let me show you how to turn on or off the alternative frequency on the following car. So if you would like to use the alternative frequency on this radio, on this car, let's follow the steps. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then you need to use the apps icon. From the apps, let's select the radio. Now choose this settings button right here. If you tap the settings button, you can choose here FM. And here you can enable the alternative frequency, so AF. It's quite useful, so now when the radio will find the stronger signal, it will automatically switch on to the alternative frequency to have the best possible quality and the best possible signal. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.